This is a tutorial video for Honda CRF. To turn on the bike, don't forget to press down the red switch to connect the electricity. To start the bike, put the key in the keyhole and turn it clockwise 2 times as it will go on standby mode. And start the bike by pressing the starter button. To turn off the bike, don't forget to press up the red switch and turn the key counterclockwise. To open the fuel tank, first, take out your key. Next, slide open the cap of the keyhole. Then, insert the key and turn it clockwise to open the fuel tank. Fill up the tank with petrol. When you're done, close up the fuel tank by pushing down the cap and turn the key counterclockwise. Don't forget to pull out the key and close the lid of the keyhole.